Hi. I'm Eric, an automotive technician with 15 years of experience. This video is going to explain the meaning of this error code, and show you how to diagnose and fix it. OBD-II fault code B007D means there is a problem with the second row center seatbelt pretensioner B deployment control, subfault. This means there may be an issue with the seatbelt pretensioner system, which is designed to tighten the seatbelt in the event of a collision to reduce the risk of injury. Loose or damaged wiring/connectors in the seatbelt pretensioner system. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and proper voltage in the wiring and connectors of the seatbelt pretensioner system. Look for any visible signs of damage or corrosion. Repair or replace any damaged or corroded wiring/connectors. Ensure all connections are secure and properly seated. Faulty seatbelt pretensioner module. Use a diagnostic scan tool to check for fault codes related to the seatbelt pretensioner module. Also, visually inspect the module for any signs of damage or corrosion. Replace the faulty seatbelt pretensioner module with a new one. Ensure the new module is properly programmed to the vehicle. If there are uncertainties, feel free to engage in discussions by leaving a comment. Alternatively, when facing difficulties, it is advisable to seek assistance from a professional auto repair shop and technicians. It is not recommended to handle it independently, especially when uncertain. Thanks for watching.